We are a connected society. Our desktops, laptops, smartphones, and tablets are constantly talking to other devices all over the world. Every time we log into a website with Facebook, open an app, or transfer money between banks, the systems involved are talking to each other through Application Programming Interfaces, or APIs.
An API is a way that computers and websites talk to each other. So if one website wants to order something from another website or transmit data, you'd use an API to communicate between them.
APIs are a critical component of how business is conducted today. It's how business development is done in a time where partnerships mean sharing data.
An API works a lot like a website. You would go to http:// and then the URL. But rather than getting back a nice, pretty website, you would get back semantic data, basically data that's computer readable. It's also human readable, but it's also made for a computer to read.
Because APIs work behind the scenes, the average user has no idea how to access an API or even why they would need to in the first place. That's where companies like San Francisco-based ReadMe come in.
Even though APIs are made to allow websites to talk to other websites, you still need a developer to implement it. So what ReadMe does is it tells the developer what kind of options and parameters and things like that they pass in order to get back the data that they need.
ReadMe makes it easy for people to set up or understand how to use APIs, especially for those who want easier access to data.
ReadMe works behind the scenes. So even though it powers everything and takes care of the support form, documentation, things like that, it looks and feels exactly like your brand. ReadMe is used by everything from small, independent companies right up to large companies like Microsoft. One of our clients, Uber, has an API that can be used, for example, in a review site. You would click a Uber link and it would call an Uber right to your location to take you to that restaurant.
If you've ever used an app like Yelp to find a restaurant or a gas station and it located them on a Google map, then you've seen an API in action.
We're excited about the way that people and businesses will be able to interact in the future. APIs will power the services that make our lives easier.
Application programming interfaces make the modern web what it is today. ReadMe is making it what it will be tomorrow. For more information about ReadMe, visit readme.io.